Hi and welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Rita and I make embellishments for junk journals and I make junk journals. And today I just wanted to show you some altered paper clips that I've made. So here are some of them. And you can see that the back has rusted paper clips on it. So there's all kinds of different ones. I love the grungy and vintage style, so that is what I'm aiming for here. I'll show you some more. There's some 3D butterflies that I have gotten at Dollar Tree. So in these videos I hope to show you some tips and tricks and hacks for decorating and creating embellishments for junk journals. So these are all altered paper clips, and like, let me show you this one. Again, back of them, just the paper clip on there. Okay, that's another butterfly. And then I'll layer these. There's cheesecloth, there's ephemera, there's, as you can see, some music note paper, and then I distress them pretty good, so they're pretty grungy looking. I love these 3D butterflies, they're so cute. And I love the red and, well, mostly the pink roses and flowers. That's just a butterfly that I punched out from an old book. And there's some Tim Holtz butterfly from his Field Notes kit. These are also from that kit, I believe, these couple of paper clips. So these are great for decorating the top of the pages. And the other thing I wanted to show quickly in this video is some experiments that I have done with trying to rust paper clips. This is my second attempt at rusting them. I'm not as pleased with the second attempt as I was with the first one. Let me show you the first. Take them out of the bag, or just show you the bag. They came out a lot better. And as you can see, lots of rust on these. The only difference I had between these two sets, this is the first attempt in the little Ziploc bag, and on this little tray I have the second attempt. The only difference is the length of time that they were in the solution. The first attempt, only 2 days. This one, I left it in there for 5 days. So the longer doesn't necessarily mean it's better. The solution I used is a mixture of just vinegar, white vinegar. You can get it at Walmart or Dollar Tree. Salt and hydrogen peroxide. So it was, I put in a mason jar or whatever, it's a jam jar that I had emptied out. I put an equal amount of hydrogen peroxide to an equal amount of vinegar, and then about a teaspoon about a teaspoon of salt. Mixed it together, and that's all. That's the solution. Now you see that I have a lid on it, but when I actually have this on the windowsill, I don't have the lid closed on it because I don't know what kind of chemical reactions are going on in here, so I don't want to have an explosion or whatever. I don't know anything about it, so I just leave it open so it can breathe, basically. So these, you can see I have some paper clips in. I don't know if you can see that, but they have been in there for about a day and nothing is happening so far. So sometimes you have to add a little more hydrogen peroxide to it, just throw a bit more to achieve something, but it's been already in there. They've been already in there for a day, so nothing is happening. So this jar is pretty dirty from the earlier experiments. So anyways, what I started with is these clips and paper clip. And where's the big one? Hold on. Just basically here, the big ones that I got at Dollar Tree, 80 piece. So these are the paper clips that I started with. And I think the best one that turned out is this little one, which already had a real nice vintage look to it. But this one in the 5-day solution actually turned out like that, like this. Oops, like that. So I was pretty pleased with that. Anyways, that was my experiment. Again, vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and salt. Don't close the jar. 2 days is better than 5 days in my so far in my experiments. But if that changes, I will give an update. Okay, peace out.